Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for creating GPX files from XML. You can see on my computer I have an XML file and it contains some track information. Every record contains latitude, longitude, latitude, altitude. Your format may be different, it doesn't matter. The only thing requirement is that every record contains some GPS information, including time, latitude, longitude, and altitude. Your format will be different, your text will be different. I opened this XML, my track XML, into Internet Explorer. I can open into Xml Viewer. It's a free app. It's just showing what is inside XML, just data, no tags. And you can see I have data time, longitude, latitude, and altitude. And I will be converting this XML into GPX because I will be extracting all these values and converting into GPX track. So in order to do this, I will download application from my website. I will leave link on this site into description. And I'm looking for, I click on search and type Xml to GPX. And I need to create GPX page. Click on Xml to GPX and click on download. I'll be recording more videos on XML converters and GPX converters, and we'll be developing more. So if you're interested in, if you want to see more of such applications, please consider subscribing to this channel and like this video. So I will record more in the future. We're waiting for archive to be downloaded. It's a relatively small archive, just a couple megabytes. I'll click on downloaded archive, it's 6 megabytes. Click on MSI Insert Archive, click on more info here. Now I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application Xml to GPX has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this. I'm sorry, it's for previous demo. And double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, I will add my XML file. Select input XML file. So if you want to download what file I'm using for this demo, you can click on this link and you will be redirected. Browser will open with URL to this file, and you can download this file from GitHub. Now I have this file locally, so I'll just click to select input, my track XML, click on next step. On second step, now I have to match XML data to GPX data. You can see on left side we have a GPX data like latitude, longitude, altitude, time, and here I have my XML data. So I will select for latitude column, I select this, my track latitude. You may have a different column names, and it's fine. As soon as you do this matching between your data and GPX, file will be acceptable. So longitude will do longitude, altitude will do altitude, and time, it's my track when, yes. So I click next step, in the final step I just click run, and it's asking me for name location of the file. So XML to GPX name in my documents is okay, I just click save. Now let's open my maps, google.com, sorry. My maps, google.com, and I'll go to untitled map. I will delete this, it's my previous test, I will just delete this layer. And then I will import, select from my device, and let's go and import a file we created, right? This one, XML to GPX. Click on open. Yep, and you can see I have a GPX tracks from XML uploaded with all correct data, and I can verify that this is correct track. So yeah, basically that's it. I can run also this. I can convert multiple files using this, and it will create multiple GPX files as well. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.